Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I don't know, after a long time I decided to vlog. I had also shot a vlog previously, like my quarantine routine or something like that, like a day in quarantine, but then I didn't put it up. So I think I should try it one more time to vlog. So here it is. So this weekend is gonna be a little interesting. It's the 27th today, and tomorrow is my dad's birthday. So we are going to make a cake for him. Basically, I'm gonna make a cake for him, and my mom has made few different stuff for him, and we have few things planned. I don't know why I'm moving around, but we do have like a few things planned for him. So let's see how that goes. So I decided to vlog it, like a practice also. If all of this is good, then I'm gonna put it up, or else not. Let's see. So yeah, I have few things to do. I have to make a cake today. I have to work out a little bit. I have to wash my hair, but I'm gonna do that after making a cake because kitchen में इतनी गर्मी होती है यार. So I'm gonna do that in the evening. Meanwhile, I'm gonna oil my hair as well. So that's that. I'm also waiting for my Amazon parcel to come so I can show you guys what I've got recently. And yeah, again, I think I might cut my hair because I have a hair fall. So those are the things that I have to do in this weekend. So let's get started. So it's breakfast time. I'm just gonna show you quickly what my breakfast looks like. This is my breakfast on most days, and just for the vlog I've decorated it, like put it on a plate, or else मुझे छोटे वाटी में होता है and I just eat it off. So this is chia seed water, one boiled egg, mixed vegetable soup, some boiled peanuts, sunflower seeds, and some dry fruits we have here. Okay, so it's much later now. It's about 8:30. I just took a shower and washed my hair. One thing off my to-do list. And I did not oil it per se. I just put like an onion hair mask because I am having tremendous hair fall. It's not even funny. I feel like I'm going bald, so I had to put that and some oil obviously. But yeah, that's about it. That is why I'm gonna cut my hair mostly tomorrow or day after, I don't know. But I'm gonna chop my hair off at least this much. Let's see. So yeah, my cake is ready, by the way. I'll show it to you guys later when we cut it at 12 o'clock. So yeah, that's it. Morning guys, it's the next day and now we are making, mom is making lunch. आणि आता काय काय बनवलेलं आहे, हे सार आहे, टोमॅटोचं सार, पोळ्या बनत आहेत, आमटी, आणि ह्यात काय
मसाले.
नाईस, सगळं डॅडचं फेवरेट. हे किती क्यूट बनवलंय. दिस इज बेसिकली बेसनाची वडी आणि मी त्याला असं कार्व आउट केलंय 61 मध्ये. ये, आणि दिस इज माय डॅड्स फेवरेट. त्याला काय म्हणतात, वालाची भाजी, उसळ, वालाची उसळ, डाळिंबी उसळ. आणि हे काय आहे,
खव्याची पोळी,
म्हणजे स्वीट पोळी, बेसिकली गोड खवा,
मावाची पोळी, खव्याची पोळी.
सो आज फुल मेजवानी आहे. So now the plan is, I'm whispering because my dad is right outside the door and I think he'll hear me. So now the plan is that we are going to I'm going to say this in Marathi, आम्ही औक्षण करणार आहोत. So basically we'll just औक्षणला काय म्हणतात इंग्लिशमध्ये, whatever, you'll see in the vlog. And then so we've told our relatives not to call him in the morning to wish him and directly video call him during that auction ceremony thing and surprise him. So that's the plan, and lunch is all made. So after that thing we'll have lunch. So actually it is his 61st birthday. He completed 60 years and we wanted to do something really big for him but again, due to the pandemic, we couldn't do much. So this is our way of celebrating in a small way, but still in a big way, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's Monday today, the whole weekend. I did vlog a little bit here and there, not much. But yeah, since it was my dad's birthday, we had like a family lunch. My mom had prepared like so many dishes, I'm not even kidding. Like 5 different type of sweets and his favorite sabzi for lunch and what not. It was so tiring, and after lunch we were all just dead tired. So I did not vlog much. What did I do yesterday? So after lunch I did not do anything else. I was just chilling, and then I went up to the terrace to check out the sunset because it had been so long since I stepped out. So I really wanted to go and check out the sunset. I'm gonna insert a clip here, probably just show you guys how beautiful it was. And it felt really nice, to be very honest, just to go out and like take in fresh air. Alright, so coming back today, I'm gonna do the pending work that was left, basically cut my hair. This needs still chopping, and also open up my Amazon parcels. Last parcel came yesterday morning. It's been more than 24 hours now. So I'm gonna open it and see what we've got. Except for this one I opened because the Amazon Fresh wala parcel tha. So it was already opened. So let's start with this only. Let's see what I got. So I ordered makeup from here. I had basically some essential makeup here, to be very honest, nothing fancy or something, but yeah. And I got little hearts just to get free shipping. So I got this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I had ordered for 310 Sun Beige, and they've sent me 230 Natural Buff, which is not cool at all. And this eyeliner, I actually got the blue variant as well because I love the blue. It's so different. It's like a purplish blue, which is very nice. It's very different color. And I ran out of my black eyeliner as well, and kajal as well. So I'm stocking up on my makeup essentials. And yeah, let's see what's next. Let's open up this. I'm excited for this. Where did my scissor go? These are basically fake eyelashes. Ooh, look at this. I've always wanted to try fake eyelashes, and I thought I should try with something with variety. And this I only got for like 259 rupees, which is not bad. 10 pairs of lashes. I think I'm gonna get the most use out of these. These are very natural looking, and I don't have that thick of lashes as well. And the next packaging, this is the compact, I guess. Let's see. So basically I had ordered like makeup from Amazon Fresh because few things were not available on Prime. Like this eyeliner, this was available on Prime, but then minimum quantity to order was 2, and I did not really need like 2 black eyeliners because you're not going out and there's no much use of makeup at this moment. Yes, so I've got Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. think this is the same one that used to come in a white packaging, but इसका बस packaging change हो गया है. Yeah. And the last thing that I got is in this. And I know what this is. It's a beauty blender. Yeah, and this is the most exciting thing that I bought. I know you can't see it because it's in a black packaging. And the product is also black, but it's a beauty blender. I'm gonna open this later, but I'm really excited for this. I think I'm gonna do a review as well on this just to see how it works. Alright, so it's time to cut my hair now. I've already parted my hair in the middle and detangled it. Also, I'm gonna be looking here because here is my mirror and here you are. So first, I'm going to part my hair. There's a detailed video about it. I'm gonna link it here so you guys can see. I'm cutting a lot more this time. Damn. Oh my god, my hair has become short. Look at the difference. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. So that's for the video, guys. I have cut my hair short again. I know it's not that short, but it is short for me since my hair was till my belly button, under my belly button actually, yeah. And now it's just right under my chest. So it's a little emotional for me because I've always wanted long hair since I was a kid, and as a child I had boy cut, proper boy cut, and I started growing out my hair in around 5th or 6th standard, and since then I have never went short. And yeah, I actually want to go short, to be very honest, but then I know I'll regret it and I'll miss my long hair. So yeah, I'm just too much emotions over hair, but yeah, I know a lot of people can relate to me. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, then thumbs it down. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell as well. So without any further ado, sorry what? So I shall see you in the next video. Bye.